Yeah, let's talk about fuel injector cleaner. This is a fuel injector cleaner. No, not a fuel injector cleaner. Sorry, this is a drink. This is a fuel injector cleaner. What are the benefits of fuel injector cleaner? I love using it. I will tell you benefit of fuel injector cleaner in your car, in your engine. Let me tell you one after the other. Okay. My number one is improve fuel efficiency. Do you know when you have bad injectors, what happens? Your injector will be injecting, it will be dropping, and that is going to cause poor injector efficiency. But with fuel injector cleaner, it's going to burn the carbon in your injector tips, and injector tips holes will be open very well. Then you are going to have what is called improve fuel efficiency. You love that? What is number two? Restore engine performance. If your engine has been performing poorly, with fuel injector cleaner, you are going to have good engine performance because it ensures that your injector will be injecting very well. Do you know that injector determines majorly the performance of your engine? Yes, it's going to improve or restore the performance of your engine. That is number two. And what is number three? Reduce or eliminate engine knock. Engine knock. You sometimes hear engine knock from your engine. That that is a knock. Sometimes it comes from your injector, not your bearings. And when you have engine injector cleaner, it remove that. It remove the knocking sound, and your engine will be working efficiently. Number four. What do you see? Stop harmful emissions. Do you know that when your injectors are bad, what happens? For your tailpipe, what do you see? As you can see here, bad emission. It started emitting poorly. With fuel injector, it's going to clean the fuel emission. It ensures that your engine pass emission test. I know you don't like to see that emission. Yes, fuel injector will help you to achieve that. It's going to eliminate fuel emission right away, especially when you apply it at the right time. It's going to do that for you. Number five, repair costly. Repair, prevent costly repair. Prevent costly repair. Do you know when you don't repair a minor problem, what happens? It increases and causes bigger problem. When you don't use fuel injectors cleaner, it causes clog to your injector, and when you have clogged injector, at some point injector cleaner will not be able to clean it. You have to replace the injector completely, and that will cost you a lot of money, and then you don't want to spend that kind of money. So for that reason, you have to apply fuel injector cleaner. It reduce your expenses now and also in the future. So for you to prevent costly repairs, you have to use fuel injector cleaner. Let's go to number 6. Smooth engine idle. Look at this engine idle. What do you notice? I know you don't like that sound. Up and down. Because the injector, one or two or all injector are not injecting very well. With fuel injector cleaner, you are going to have something like this. This is how steady that idle it is, and that is what we want. With fuel injector cleaner, you are going to have a smooth and steady idle engine. Number 7, quicker acceleration. quick acceleration. You want fast movement. You don't want your engine to drag. With bad injector, your engine will drag. When your engine drag, you burn more fuel. You spend more time on the road. But when you use fuel injector cleaner, it cleans your injector. By the time you accelerate, what happened? The engine responds the way you like, and you move as quick as possible. Then you get there as quick as possible, and you reduce fuel consumption immediately. That is number 7, quick acceleration. And what is the last one? The last one, all clean other fuel system part. Do you remember where you pour the fuel injector cleaner? Not in the injector. You pour it in your fuel tank, and when you apply it in your fuel tank, what happens? It goes to other fuel system component. Goes to your injection pump. If you are using a diesel engine, it goes to the pipe, goes to the fuel system, and ensure that no carbon is formed. It ensures that it clean other part. So you are not only doing good to your injector, you are also doing good to your fuel system entirely. So you can now see how good fuel injector cleaner is. So don't stop using it. Use it as a preventive measures. Use it as often as possible. It helps to prolong the lifespan of your engine. At this point, have you subscribed to this channel? If not, why? What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Follow me for tips like this. See you in another video. I have other video you have to watch about fuel injector. That is why you need to follow me. I have something to tell you more about fuel injector cleaner. See you in that video.